Hey man, say man, it's your boy, Legend So Wavy. I want to welcome you to Deltaforce. I hear you guys have been having problems with the control and weapon stability. Here's how we're gonna fix that. Okay, right now I'm in my stack. I'm gonna go ahead and pick a weapon, pick the AKS 74, click it. We're gonna go modify. Boom, once we're on modify, you see I added a foregrip, right? Well, check this out. With certain attachments, you can hit the calibrate button that's next to modify. Boom, you're gonna hit it. I'm gonna click foregrip. Okay, placement wise, you can change the placement and go from the middle, which is the default placement, but I want more control, right? So boom, I'm gonna pull that back, which is gonna rearrange where that grip is, and I'm gonna pull this. Boom. Therefore now I got extra control, but it's give and take now. That's the issue. It's give and take. I'm losing ADS movement speed and ADS speed. Okay, let's move it the other way. I'm gaining stability when moving, and I'm gaining ADS speed. Let's go move thickness up. ADS speed is high, and ADS movement speed is high. So it depends on what you want. Some people leave them default, but if you want that extra control, I suggest you move it back. Not bad. Move it back, and it's with several of these attachments. So just like that, it could be with the optic. So we can go check out the optic, and you can have more of a zoom, less of a zoom, you know, more distance, less distance, more zoom, you know, or more distance and more zoom. Just depending on how you want to play and what you're trying to do. So I'm gonna reset these variables to default, and then we're gonna show the calibration effect, and you can see here I got the extra control and the stability, the extra stability when moving, but my ADS while moving is, you know, hit, and my ADS speed is definitely hit. So if you think that's worth it, then, you know, you need more control, I suggest you go that route. Also, I believe you can do this with the stock. You add a stock to it. I don't think I want to add that stock. I think it's a stock I do want to add. I'm trying to find it. It's not that one. I believe it's this one. I believe it. Yep, it's definitely this one. Definitely the Elite Light stock. And I'm going to purchase it. Go ahead and purchase it. Boom. Okay. Now I'm going to go back to calibrate, and this time I'm click the stock, and we want more control. So we're going to go here, and we're going to push it out a little more. This butt stock end up moving back, and it's going to give me more like stability. If it was moving forward, which is closing the butt stock, it'll give me more ADS speed. So yep, and more aiming stability while breathing. So yeah. So it's either or, so however you want to play. I mean, your target acquisition will be definitely faster on the move with, you know, it being up close. But hey, we're bringing it back. And we're going to take the extra control with the firing stability. And that's what we're going to take. So, after that, I think we're going to take this bad boy to the range. How about that? Let me go ahead and equip it real quick. See if I can get to the firing range. Will it let me go to the firing range? Let me go back to modify and see. Yep, and click firing range. We're going to go to the range and check this out. So let's check the stability out, see what we got here. Chunk. So laser. Thing is a laser. So as you're seeing, it's a laser. So it's not bad. So if you like this, you know, like the video, check out my Twitch, check out my YouTube, check out my well, of course, my TikTok and my Kick. And it's your boy Legend So Wavy, and we out.